Yeah. Die line with the boom pow. Every week now I switch to a new style. 212s in the back just blew out. Everything I do end up in the news now. Yeah.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing some more mods in ST. Today is going to be installing the 8000K HID kit on the Fiesta ST. Hopefully it goes all well and goes all to plan. But yeah, before we start this video, I want you to hit that subscribe button and smash that like button. Just show support. There's more mods to come. I have been slacking on the videos because I've been on holiday and stuff like that, but hopefully pick it up again. I'm going to be doing some more mods on the Saxo. As you're probably wondering, oh, what happened to the Saxo? It's supposed to be a project and they're not doing anything on it. We'll be doing something on that, just waiting for obviously the right moment and the parts and everything. I've still got another year to go before I get entered in the hill climb and stuff like that, but yeah, it should be good. But yeah, let's get to it. Right, so I'm going to take these two bolts out and remove the headlight. It should be quite easy to do. It's just taking this one here and this one on top, and that should be just coming out straight off. So we're just going to do it. So I've taken the light out already. It was literally just three bolts, and you have to undo well, pretty much this one here and this one on top, maybe that one as well, just so that you can lift up the bump a bit, and the light just comes straight off. So let's get to it and start fitting the gas, well, the HIDs. I bought the 8000K, so yeah, probably around near that, but yeah, let's get on it. Right, so so we've done the light already. So now we're going to fit these, which is obviously the canvas quick starters. Literally just plug into the lights itself. But yeah, so I'm going to put it stick it here because I thought it would be the best place to put it. Because everything else is all rigid, wouldn't stick properly. So yeah, so we're also going to undo this, and we're just going to put it like just here. I'm just going to stick that. I think this is quite good 3M tape, so it shouldn't come off itself. And I've tested it for clearance and it works, yeah, it clears quite fine, so yeah, just stick this like that. Perfect. Now we get the light, and as you can see, we've done this already. So now these three here, plug it in now, it'll be easier for us to work with. So plug that in, get these here, plugs in, show you that. Perfect. Now so this goes straight in. Goes in under that bit there. You want to plug in the cable for the light. And now, next done, just pop the little clip. Done. Perfect. So literally, as you can see here, it is hidden behind all this. Pretty much I think it's probably the best place to put it because it's all ready with wires and stuff, so yeah, it shouldn't heat around here, but I will probably stick it, I'll just cable tie it to the original wire loom goes towards the engine. But yeah, that looks quite good from there. As you can see, it fits quite well, so that's all done. So you just literally put your bolts back in and all good to go from there. I'll just put it on so you guys can see. So yeah, I will show you guys a video at night, so you can see again something how bright it will look. I'll show you before as well. But yeah, they look fantastic. Does it work? No, with it. Still bright, it's still up. And you can see the high beams as well, they work as well. So yeah, fantastic, they look quite good. I'll be able to see something now as I'm going away on holiday. I will shoot a bit of the ride as well, so you can probably see like the journey as well. So I'm going to do a holiday one as well. But yeah, it's fantastic. These, like I said, these aren't expensive, they're quite cheap. So yeah, it's quite a good mod to do as well. So this is the the passenger side light. We're taking this one out. I've done that one, as you can see. Yeah, it was quite quick. Well, wasn't too quick. Probably about 20 minutes, half an hour. Yeah, in video time. But yeah, so literally same thing again. This bolt here and this bolt. Now I'm not sure what the hell is this. Is it a T27? Yeah, you need a T27. As you can see, torque. Yeah, T27. Not really good with these tools. Yeah, just literally same thing again. Take the top one off. 5 years later. And the bottom one off here. I'm like Rambo, so any bolt, that's no problem for me. Bolt out. Now here it is quite simple. So you just want to put your hand on top of the corner, and you want to just pry that bit out like that. But yeah, just push it out. Oh, pull it out. As you can see, there is like a little clip at the bottom where it's stuck. So there's this bit here. You just want to unclip it, just pull it out like that, and that unclips that. And then obviously there's another bit up here where you just have to do is you just have to push it towards you, and then that bit's done. And then here you just want to grab the bottom bit, and there's like a little white clip at the bottom. As obviously I'll show you what it looks like, and that just comes straight out. And then literally, oh yeah, before we do that, we want to take the little the wire loom for the light, of course, and then literally just pull it straight out like that. And this is the clip I was talking about. So this bit here goes like in this section here. So this is like a grapple hook. It literally just keeps it there, and there's like a little edge to it here where it holds onto there. You just click it into place. But yeah, that's the lights already out. Yeah, it's a bit dirty, but yeah, not a problem. Now I obviously put something here. Probably didn't show you in the one about the before one, but you don't want to scratch the lens, of course, because these are expensive. So yeah, you want to put the lens on top of it like that, so you can work with it. But yeah, now you have two. What I didn't show you in the previous, well, at the beginning when I did my intro, was this. So I bought this, literally, it's just a replacement of your old lights, and it goes into HIDs. These are very strong. I got the 8000K ones, as I mentioned, but they're quite easy to use. And obviously you have the little grommet, which will go between the back of this. So what we need to do is we want to cut a circle, so then we can put the grommet bit and it'll stay like that. So then one side will be inside, one but will be the outside. Best thing to do is, I've done on that one, I didn't show you. So I don't need to show you, you just do it yourself. Is get like either a circle, probably a metal pole, or something that you can that will cut through the plastic, and you put it on top of there on like a wooden surface, and just hit it with a hammer, and it should just cut the hole quite well, I'll say perfectly, because me cutting is crap. Yeah, but yeah, it is very simple. I'll show you later on in the video. So in the kit, you obviously get your HIDs, but you also have your high beams. Now they come in a kit already. I wasn't sure how much I paid, but yeah. So these are obviously quite a nice colour blue. it should give it the white ice look, same as the HIDs. But yeah, they come in the kit. You have to buy it separately. It comes in the kit already, but just read. I'll leave the link in the description for the kit so you guys can see it if you have a 7.5, well, Mark 7.5 like me. But yeah, it should be for any. I think Mark 7, Mark 8 are exactly the same. So yeah, they're quite simple to do. I think I heard some people say that they had to get an Allen key to take theirs out. Right, so I've done it with a metal pole. Literally, you put it facing that way, get the little metal pole, and then just bash it with a hammer. Cuts the circle quite neatly. Not the best, but yeah. Now, obviously these are lights. Looking beautiful already. Now, before you do anything, you want to stick everything through the gap. Like this. Not that big. Now, a little groove, you want to push it in, so just look at the outside of it stays like that. And then, perfect, so that will stop the water from coming in, of course. Yeah, that looks quite nice like that, just stick like that. But now, obviously just remove these ones here. So that just comes straight off, and then you just pull this, and this. Right, all done. So yeah, so I've just turned them on. They are super bright and they're turning colour. As you can see, they're heating up, and it is, and the maximum is like that. That's my maximum. That's my main beam. As you can see, the motors still work. As you can see, they're going up slowly. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and subscribe, and don't forget to smash that like button and show your support. Yeah, it was quite a good mod, quite easy to install, and it's like it gives you probably more vision on the road. It's brighter and everything, and as you've seen before, it does get quite bright. Obviously it's better to see it and really in the road area, but yeah, it was just heating up, so probably be a difference. But yeah, the more mods to come. Just stay tuned. I'm sorry I haven't been uploading like I said I did before, but you know, I've been on holiday, so I guess getting back onto my routine to doing a video a week should be okay. But yeah, peace.
Yeah. Die line with the boom pow. Every week now I switch to a new style. 212s in the back just blew out. Everything I do end up in the news now. Yeah.